Window installation in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our team of window experts in West Columbia, South Carolina specializes in providing top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom replacement windows, West Columbia, we have the perfect options for you. Energy-efficient windows in West Columbia are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection of vinyl windows and double-hung windows in West Columbia, South Carolina offers superior insulation and durability. These windows are designed to withstand the local climate, ensuring long-lasting performance and energy savings. For those seeking replacement windows, West Columbia, our window contractors are ready to assist. We offer a wide range of residential windows and window glass replacement services to meet your needs. Our window frame replacement and window upgrade services in West Columbia, South Carolina ensure that your windows are in top condition, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Custom windows in West Columbia, South Carolina are a popular choice for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. Our window design and window fitting services in West Columbia ensure that your custom windows are installed with precision and care. We also offer window consultation services to help you choose the best window styles for your home. Window maintenance in West Columbia is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our home window services in West Columbia include regular maintenance and window replacement to keep your windows in excellent condition. We also provide window insulation services to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Window durability and window aesthetics in West Columbia, South Carolina are key considerations for homeowners. Our window solutions in West Columbia are designed to offer both strength and beauty, ensuring that your windows enhance your home's curb appeal. We also prioritize window security, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Our window warranty in West Columbia, South Carolina guarantees the quality and performance of our products. We stand behind our work and are committed to providing the best window services in West Columbia. Whether you need window consultation or window fitting, our Replacement Windows West Columbia team is here to help. Window experts in West Columbia, South Carolina are dedicated to delivering exceptional service and quality products. Our window contractors in West Columbia are experienced and knowledgeable, ensuring that your window installation or replacement project is completed to the highest standards. Trust us for all your window needs in West Columbia, South Carolina.